Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a retake of the elevators at block 222 Hougang, Street 21, aka KOVAN Green. Yeah, two beautiful FUJITEC Royal Superdyne elevators, and I'll be taking a ride on them today. These buttons are actually replacement buttons, and they beep. 8. These lifts are pretty small. FUJITEC, 540 kg and 8 persons. This is a classic vintage FUJITEC. And it's pretty tall actually, but it's very small as you can see. Not very big. Here we are at 8. There's no replacement posters for this block yet. Here's the beautiful, oh shit. Here's the beautiful outside. It's a Masonette building, by the way. And here's my very wet umbrella. Just gonna set it down. Oh crap, maybe I'm not gonna set it down. It's so wet. Let's call lift A. What the? Bro, I wanna call lift A. I like how these lifts fit the theme of this block. Eight floor.
I like to go 4.
4, right? 4. Okay. See how roughly workers treat this lift. Lift abuse. It's a nice, beautiful vintage green cab. And for some reason the doors don't close properly. Okay, 8. That's the door bumpers. Door bumpers have been replaced before. And for some reason the logic has been altered because usually they would just open and then close straight away. That's right, lift A. This one's much more bright. 8. Buttons are more intact. Yeah, this one is better closing logic, it's more safe. Closes slowly. It's way brighter in this lift. And once it reaches 8, the arrow will go off, which is a really cool thing. Here it is at 8. This is the last of its kind FUJITEC lift. So come film it when you can, because they're going to be replaced by IFE soon. 540 kg and 8 persons. That's heavy. Oh no.
Oh, you again. 2.
2?
Yeah.
Keeps banging on the doors. That's not very nice. There's no chime on these lifts. There's no door open and door close button. The letters are not there. It's just a metallic button. Drum test. Yeah, this is not very sturdy, but you know, it's an RSDN lift and we love them. Open up. I think they replaced the metal braces before. It's very wet at this floor. Yeah, now that's good logic. This dude. 222 Hougang. Let's try racing the lift, honestly. I can hear that guy. Never mind, it's too wet. I hate how wet it is right now. Oh shit. Where's my phone there? Four, two, one. Jump test. I think there's like intelligent leveling. Metal braces look pretty new. This is way better than the lift B. I love the feel of these metallic buttons, honestly. Okay, let's end the video at the top floor. Okay, thank you guys for watching this elevator video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Let's just feel the buttons for one last time.